Why is nobody talking about Pet Edochie?
I am senior to the movie industry. I mean, when I did Things Fall Apart in 1985, there was nothing like Nollywood. Nollywood was slumbering sonorously in the womb of time. It was 7 years after that Nollywood came on board with Living in Bondage. Yeah. I went round the world before Nollywood came.
This legendary actor is known for his monumental contributions to the film industry and entertainment sector in general. Edochie is a professional in broadcasting, journalism, and acting. In this video, I'll be bringing you 7 factors that you don't know about Pet Edochie.
You can't take it away from the fact that Things Fall Apart, which Pete Edochie took part in, was not home video, was cinema. So if you write a story now and say Pete Edochie is older than me in the Nollywood, I'll contest it because he came 4 years after. It wasn't a matter of biological age. So in Nollywood, I'm his senior. This is history. History has no romanticism.
Pet Edochie hails from Anambra State and had his primary and secondary education at St. Patrick's and St. James Primary School, Zaria, Kaduna State. He later proceeded to St. John's Secondary School. He also schooled at the School of Journalism and Television in England. He came into limelight in the 1980s when he played the role of Okonkwo in Things Fall Apart.
This woman does not know that I have been very patient with her. How can a man get up before his wife every morning?
He began his career in radio broadcasting at the Eastern Nigerian Broadcasting Corporation at the age of 20. By 1980, he had been formally trained as a broadcaster at the British Broadcasting Corporation, where he began as a junior programs assistant. In 1987, he became the pioneer director of Anambra Broadcasting Service, 3FM Stereo, and retired as a broadcaster in 1988. He was honored by African Industry Merit Award by African Magic and Lifetime Achievement by African Film Academy, despite being a seasoned administrator and broadcaster. In 2003, he was honored as a member of the Order of the Niger, OON, by President Olusegun Obasanjo. Pet Edochie is indeed a living legend. He has many awards to his name.
The idea of kneeling down to propose to a girl, if your husband gets down on his knee to give you a ring, what it means in our own culture, he has surrendered headship to you. That's what it means. The headship of the family has been surrendered to you. Don't let God who created you curse you.
Tell me in the comment section one of his movies that you love.